Yo, it's Diplomi, and this is another episode of Scarred, the only video that gets mashed up and mangled. And this is the most beat up clip of the day. Sup, dude? I'm Extreme BMXer, and this is my Scotch story. As soon as I was going to land, I knew everything was going to go wrong. It was a beautiful day here in Whitfield, and it was in the middle of summer, and me and my best friend William, we went out to go make some sick clips.
Make a sick clip, son. A sick one.
So I was doing my bunny hop. Everything was doing smooth, and then I saw this sweet gap, yo. Come here. This is the gap, yo. I was going right off it, and it was nice. So I decided to go for it, and this is where it all went wrong. Oh my God! Oh!
OMG! OMG! His leg! I got him! I got him!
So they took me to the ER, and I figured out that my tibia was totally not connected to my fibia, so it was pretty nasty. And that was the most beeped up clip of the day.
That's right.
Yo, so that was Diplomi, and that was Scarred. See you next time for more mashed up and mangled people.